Welcome to our mouth-watering New Mexican beef enchiladas. Packed with authentic flavors and a touch of Southwest charm, these enchiladas are a delightful blend of tender beef, spicy chilies, and gooey cheese, all wrapped in warm corn tortillas. Get ready to elevate your dinner game with this delicious recipe that's sure to become a family favorite. All right, let's go over the ingredients for our New Mexican beef enchiladas. First, for the beef filling. We need 1 pound of ground beef. Make sure it's fresh and preferably lean. Then chop 1 small onion finely. This will add a nice sweetness and depth to our filling. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. Fresh garlic always enhances the flavor. We'll season this with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of chili powder for that authentic taste. Add 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and don't forget salt and pepper to taste. To keep it moist, we'll add 1/2 cup of beef broth. For some extra flavor and a bit of heat, use a 1/4 cup of chopped green chilies. Canned is perfectly fine. Finally, mix in 1 cup of shredded cheese, either cheddar or a Mexican blend, which will make our filling rich and cheesy. Next, let's prepare our red enchilada sauce. Start with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a roux. We'll use 3 tablespoons of New Mexican red chili powder. This is key for that authentic taste. Slowly whisk in 2 cups of chicken broth to create a smooth sauce. Season it with 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and another 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Finally, add salt to taste. For the enchiladas themselves, we need 12 corn tortillas. Corn tortillas give that traditional texture. To soften them, we'll use 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. For the topping, we'll use 2 cups of shredded cheese, again cheddar or a Mexican blend. For garnishes, have some chopped fresh cilantro, sliced black olives, and chopped green onions on hand. These are optional but add great flavor and color. And don't forget some sour cream to serve on the side. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, we can start cooking. To prepare the beef filling for our New Mexican beef enchiladas, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the ground beef and cook it until it's nicely browned, breaking it apart with a spoon as it cooks. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure to drain any excess fat from the skillet once the beef is cooked. Next, add the finely chopped onion and minced garlic to the skillet with the cooked beef. Cook this mixture until the onion turns translucent and the garlic becomes fragrant, which should take another 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to season our filling. Stir in the ground cumin, chili powder, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. These spices will infuse the beef with delicious flavors that are characteristic of New Mexican cuisine. Once the spices are well incorporated, pour in the beef broth and add the chopped green chilies. Let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and for most of the liquid to evaporate. After simmering, remove the skillet from the heat and let the filling cool slightly. This will make it easier to handle when assembling the enchiladas. Finally, mix in 1 cup of shredded cheese into the beef filling. This cheese will add a creamy and gooey texture to our enchiladas, making them even more irresistible. To make the red enchilada sauce, in a medium saucepan, heat vegetable oil over medium heat until it's shimmering. Once the oil is hot, stir in the all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture stirring constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. This will help to form a roux, which will thicken our sauce. After the roux has formed, add the New Mexican red chili powder to the saucepan. Stir it in and let it cook for another 30 seconds. This will help to release the flavors of the chili powder. Gradually whisk in the chicken broth, making sure to add it slowly to prevent any lumps from forming. Continue whisking until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Now it's time to add our seasonings. Stir in the garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, and salt to taste. These spices will give our sauce a rich and savory flavor. Once all the ingredients are combined, reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and to ensure that the sauce thickens properly. To prepare the corn tortillas for our enchiladas, heat vegetable oil in a small skillet over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot but not smoking. Once the oil is hot, carefully place one corn tortilla into the skillet. Let it fry for about 5 to 10 seconds on one side. You want the tortilla to soften and become pliable, but not crispy. Using tongs or a spatula, carefully flip the tortilla over and fry the other side for another 5 to 10 seconds. Again, you're aiming for softness, not crispiness. Once the tortilla is soft, remove it from the skillet and drain any excess oil by placing it on a plate lined with paper towels. Repeat this process with the remaining tortillas, adding more oil to the skillet as needed. To assemble the enchiladas, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius to ensure it's ready when we're done assembling. Start by spreading a thin layer of enchilada sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This will prevent the enchiladas from sticking to the bottom and add flavor. Take one of the softened corn tortillas and dip it lightly into the enchilada sauce to coat it on both sides. Place about 2 tablespoons of the prepared beef filling in the center of the tortilla. Roll it up tightly, ensuring the filling stays inside, and place it seam side down in the baking dish. Repeat this process with the remaining tortillas and beef filling until all the tortillas are filled and rolled, arranging them snugly in the baking dish. Once all the enchiladas are assembled, pour the remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the top of the rolled tortillas, covering them generously. Finally, sprinkle 2 cups of shredded cheese over the top of the enchiladas. This will create a deliciously cheesy crust as they bake in the oven. To bake the enchiladas, cover the baking dish with aluminum foil. This will help to trap the heat and moisture, ensuring that the enchiladas cook evenly and don't dry out. Place the covered baking dish in the preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes. This initial baking time allows the enchiladas to heat through and the flavors to meld together. After 20 minutes, carefully remove the foil from the baking dish to expose the top of the enchiladas. Return the uncovered baking dish to the oven and bake for an additional 10 minutes, or until the cheese on top is melted and bubbly and the edges of the tortillas are slightly crispy. Once baked to perfection, remove the baking dish from the oven and let the enchiladas cool for a few minutes before serving. To garnish and serve the enchiladas, allow the enchiladas to rest for a few minutes after baking before serving. This will help them to set and make them easier to handle. Once rested, garnish the enchiladas with chopped fresh cilantro, sliced black olives, and chopped green onions if desired. These garnishes add freshness, color, and extra flavor to the dish. Serve the enchiladas with sour cream on the side for dipping or drizzling. The creamy tanginess of the sour cream pairs perfectly with the rich and spicy flavors of the enchiladas. Here are some additional tips for cooking the perfect New Mexican beef enchiladas. Use quality chili powder. Opt for authentic New Mexican red chili powder for an authentic flavor profile. Look for it in specialty stores or online to elevate the taste of your dish. Prevent soggy enchiladas. Lightly frying the corn tortillas before assembling the enchiladas helps to prevent them from becoming soggy during baking. This step ensures that the tortillas maintain their texture and structure. Adjust spice level. Customize the heat level of your enchiladas by adjusting the amount of chili powder in the sauce. Additionally, choose mild or hot green chilies according to your preference for spiciness. Cheese choice. For a deliciously gooey and melty texture, opt for a good melting cheese like cheddar, Monterey Jack, or a Mexican blend. These cheeses complement the flavors of the beef filling and enchilada sauce perfectly. Make ahead. Save time by preparing the beef filling and enchilada sauce a day in advance. Store them in the refrigerator until you're ready to assemble and bake the enchiladas. This makes dinner prep a breeze and allows the flavors to develop even further. Enjoy your homemade New Mexican beef enchiladas and savor every flavorful bite.